Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the exact word you want to turn into a link. Highlight it now. Make sure you already have the destination URL or an internal anchor ready because you will paste it in the next step. Once done, locate the Insert Link command in your editor or press the shortcut. This saves time. You do this first to avoid breaking formatting later and to ensure the link text remains precise and meaningful to readers. Now insert the hyperlink. Press Ctrl+K or click Insert Link to open the dialog, then paste the URL into the address field. Choose whether it opens in the same tab or a new tab. This affects user flow and accessibility. Add an optional title/tooltip that explains the link destination for screen readers. Make sure the URL includes the correct protocol and has no trailing spaces. Finish by applying the link and checking its appearance in line with your text style. Make sure it's readable and distinct. You should immediately click the new hyperlink to verify it opens the intended page. Test on mobile too if possible. If it fails, reopen the link editor, remove any stray characters, and correct the protocol. One key troubleshooting tip: clear your browser cache or test in an incognito window to rule out cached redirects that mask the real problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.